For the second part of today's activity, we're going to be using the Swatch Libraries. Like I mentioned in class, the Swatch Libraries are really helpful because they basically put a whole bunch of colors together based on themes for you. So you're going to see I've given you a few themes here: nature, foods, desserts, and lastly gradients. Now let's go over how to access these libraries. First, we're going to need our swatches panel to be open. Again, to do that, we're going to go up to Window, Swatches. When we do that, our library is located on the bottom left corner. It looks like a whole bunch of books stacked together. When I click on the library, I have different themes like earth, food, things of that nature. So if I want something that's in nature, I'd go to nature and think about what kind of things I'm coloring. Since the first few images are flowers, I might want to click on flowers. If I do that, a new window is going to open with a whole bunch of different sets of colors that would look beautiful with flowers. You can select the set, and when you do, it'll automatically pop up in your swatches panel. And then to apply the color to an image, you can select an image and simply click on a swatch. And we know that if we want to color multiple things at the same time, we click on multiple things by holding Shift or making a marquee and then choosing a color. Now, for the first one, it's nature. Second one is foods, which you'll find. I'm going to exit out of this. And then desserts. But the last one I asked for is for gradients. And the Swatch Libraries offer pre-made gradients for you, which really come in handy. Let's go back to the library, find the thing that says gradients, and we'll see that gradients has some of the same wording. So let's say you wanted a gradient instead of a single color for your dessert or your food, you can go here. But I'm asking for the last scene to be all gradients. So I might want some neutrals for the background. And you can see there's some gradients here. If I want to swap through multiple libraries without having to go back, I can use these arrows here. So maybe I want pastels. So I'm going to select the shape I want, click on the swatch, and now I have a beautiful gradient created for me.